little artists! Welcome! Grab your crayons and let's draw cute pictures together. Are you ready? Let's go!
Hi little artists, welcome back. Today we're going to draw a cute rainbow ice cream and learn fun colors together. Grab your markers and let's get started. First, let's draw the ice cream cone. Now draw a big swirly ice cream on top. Wow, it's already looking super cute. Tap like, subscribe and come back for another fun drawing adventure. This is an ice cream. Let's spell it together. I-C-E, ice. C-R-E-A-M, cream, ice cream. Yay! Great job, little artists. Do you like ice cream? Yay! Ice cream is so sweet and super tasty. It keeps us cool on hot summer days. But remember, eat ice cream only sometimes and don't forget to brush your teeth. Now let's enjoy our colorful rainbow ice cream. Yummy! So delicious!
Yummy! This rainbow ice cream is so sweet and colorful. I love it! Do you like ice cream too?
Let's color it together and learn beautiful colors. Are you ready? Let's go! Blue! Wow! Look at this beautiful blue color. It looks just like the clear sky. So pretty! Pink! Now let's add pink. Pink is sweet and lovely, just like a yummy candy. Beautiful! Yellow! Here comes bright yellow. Yellow shines like the happy sunshine. Wow! Light green. Now we have light green. It looks fresh like little spring leaves. Amazing! Dark green. Let's color with dark green. It looks like a big green tree in the park. Awesome! Sky blue. Now add sky blue. It looks soft and peaceful, just like the beautiful sky. Fantastic! Yellow. Let's add yellow again. Our ice cream is getting brighter and brighter. Yay! Orange. And finally, orange. It looks juicy and super delicious. Our rainbow ice cream is finished. Wow! It looks colorful, happy, and so much fun. Great job, little artists! Keep drawing, keep coloring, and keep smiling. See you in the next fun drawing adventure. Tap like, subscribe, and come back for another fun drawing adventure. Bye-bye! See you next time!